How HYBE will pick their next K-pop idol. Many people dream of becoming a K-pop idol. They watch BTS, TXT, HYBE, New Jeans, LE SSERAFIM, and they think, can HYBE ever choose someone like me? Some people believe HYBE only picks Koreans. Some people believe HYBE only wants perfect visuals. Some people believe HYBE only wants rich trainees. But the truth is very different. In this video, I will explain how HYBE will pick their next K-pop idol. Step by step, I will explain how HYBE works, what HYBE really looks for, and how global trainees can prepare. This video is not hate. This video is not rumors. This video is education and reality. So watch till the end. Step 1. Understand HYBE first. Before you try to become a HYBE idol, you must understand what HYBE really is. HYBE is not just one company. HYBE is a big label system, also called HYBE Labels. This means HYBE works like a family of companies, not just one office. HYBE believes in different music colors, different cultures, and different people. That is why HYBE created many labels under one big name. Step 1a. How many labels does HYBE have? HYBE has multiple labels, and each label has a different style. Here are the main ones. HYBE Labels Korea includes Big Hit Music, known for BTS and TXT. Pledis Entertainment, known for 17. Belift Lab, known for HYBE. Adair, known for New Jeans. Source Music, known for LE SSERAFIM. KOZ Entertainment, known for Zico and hip-hop style. HYBE also has global labels, such as HYBE America, HYBE Japan, HYBE X Geffen Records, Global Girl Group Projects. This means HYBE is not thinking only about Korea. HYBE is thinking about the world. Step 1b. What HYBE believes in. HYBE believes in storytelling. They do not just debut singers. They debut artists with identity. HYBE artists usually have clear emotions, strong connection with fans, personal stories, natural personalities. HYBE does not want robots. HYBE wants real humans with real feelings. Step 1c. About New Jeans issue. Many people talk about the New Jeans situation online. But here is the important thing to understand without hate or drama. HYBE is a large company with many teams and systems. When a company grows this big, internal discussions and changes can happen. This does not mean HYBE hates their artists. HYBE is unsafe. HYBE is failing. New Jeans is still a successful and respected group, and HYBE continues to work as a global company. As a trainee or fan, the best thing to do is focus on training. Avoid rumors, respect artists and companies. HYBE still debuts artists. HYBE still auditions people. HYBE still looks for talent. Step 1d. HYBE and global/dark-skinned idols. One very important point many people ignore. HYBE has already debuted successful global idols, including dark-skinned and non-Korean idols. For example, through HYBE X Geffen, HYBE debuted Katseye, a global girl group. Members like Lara represent diversity, global beauty, and different skin tones. This clearly shows HYBE is open to talent, not skin color. HYBE is open to emotion, not nationality. This is very important for international trainees to understand. Step 2. What HYBE really looks for in an idol. Now let us talk about the most important part. Many people think HYBE only looks for high notes, perfect dance, pretty face. That is not fully true. HYBE looks for something deeper. Step 2a. True emotion. HYBE loves true emotion. This means, when you sing, you feel the song. When you rap, you believe your words. When you dance, your face matches your movement. HYBE judges often ask, do I feel something when this person performs? If the answer is yes, they remember you. If the answer is no, even perfect skills may not help. Emotion cannot be faked for long. Step 2b. Natural personality. HYBE likes people who feel natural, not forced. You do not need to act cool. You do not need to act cute. You need to be your real self. HYBE artists are known for being relatable, being honest, being human. If you act fake, it shows. HYBE prefers a real beginner over a fake perfect performer. Step 2c. Potential, not perfection. This is very important. HYBE does not expect you to be perfect. They ask, can this person grow? Can this person learn? Can this person survive training? This is called potential. Many HYBE idols were not perfect at debut. They improved through training. So if you are not perfect today, do not give up. Step 2D, work ethic and mindset. HYBE training is hard. They look for people who do not quit easily, can accept criticism, can train every day. Even talented people fail if their mindset is weak. HYBE would rather choose a hard-working trainee than a lazy talented one. Step 3. Skills HYBE expects. Now let us be honest. You still need skills. HYBE usually checks one main skill and one support skill. Step 3A. Vocals. HYBE likes clean voice, emotional singing, stable pitch. They do not always want loud high notes. They prefer control, feeling, breath support. Simple songs sung well are better than hard songs sung badly. Step 3B. Rap. If you rap, HYBE looks for rhythm, clear pronunciation, confidence. Original style. Copying famous rappers is not recommended. HYBE likes identity. Step 3C. Dance. HYBE dance style is clean, expressive, controlled. You do not need extreme power. You need timing, balance, and emotion. Step 4. Visuals. HYBE does care about visuals, but not in a narrow way. HYBE visuals are unique, memorable, expressive. This means you do not need to look like a Korean standard idol. You need to look clean, healthy, confident. Your expressions matter more than your face shape. Step 5. Language and culture. Many people worry about Korean language. Here is the truth. Korean is not mandatory at audition stage. Willingness to learn is important. HYBE often trains language, culture, communication. If you show respect and effort, that is enough. Step 6. How HYBE chooses the one after auditions. HYBE looks at skill, improvement, attitude, team behavior, mental strength. They imagine, can this person represent our company? If the answer feels right, they invest. Becoming a HYBE idol is not easy, but it is not impossible. HYBE does not look for perfection. HYBE looks for real people with real dreams. If you train smart, stay patient, and stay honest, you give yourself a real chance. If you are serious about becoming a K-pop idol, start today, not tomorrow. Train your skill, train your mind, train your emotion, and remember, the world is watching. HYBE is watching.